So one of the plugins that you can utilize is a language teacher in order to learn out different languages by using ChatGPT. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPT is right here, and over here what you can go around and search is type in, let's say for example, language teacher right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type this in, then what happens is that it simply goes around over here, and then you can see that language teacher Mrs. Smith is an option right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that there are many different languages that you can learn right here. So you can simply go around and start the chat right here. So let's just go around over here, type in others right here, and let's see like what other languages there are. So you can see that there are different languages that we can actually learn right here, from Spanish, French, German, English, Japanese, and so forth. So let's just go around and say Japanese, let's say for example 5, and then you can see that this is what you have. So this is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So let's just go around and press 1 right here, and then what happens is that it simply goes around with the beginner language. So I don't really understand anything right here, just like this, so simply going around and typing it around. So I'm going to say I don't understand Japanese at all right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says here are beginner topics in English right here, like my day, my family, food and drink, and so forth, as you can see which one you would like to choose. So let's just go around over here and press 1 and press enter right here, and what happens is that it simply goes around, and then so this right here. So let's talk about my first day. So what time you wake up. So let's just say I'm going to go around and say I wake up at 6:30 right here, just like this, 6:30 a.m. right here, just like this, and then you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that this is how you write like you wake up at 6:30 a.m. So what do you do next? So I'm going to go around and say brush my teeth right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that you brush your teeth, and this is how you write it out in Japanese, as you can see right here. So what do you do next? I'm going to go around and say eat breakfast right here, just like this. So just like this, you can see that as I go around over here, get ready for office, let's say for example right here, just like this, and then it says I get ready for work. What job you have? I am a graphics designer right here, just like this. And let's just go around over here. So your graphic here, well, what time you leave for work, and so forth, as you can see right here. And this is how you actually go around over here, and you can see that it translates out as the language teacher, as you can see right here. So that is how you can utilize the language teacher plugin inside of ChatGPT. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.